Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Subaru Accent. This is really a nice vehicle. These came out, that's when Subaru got into the 7-passenger vehicle that's come out of Arizona. Nice and clean. It's got kind of that tricoat white, good tread on the tires. Wheels are nice, like I said. When they come out of Arizona, they're nice and clean. This one's loaded, it's a limited. I believe it's got everything because it's got the roof, the captain's chairs, the navigation. Also has the EyeSight, which heated steering wheel. Odometer 55712 is the odometer. So there's your Harman Kardon, your memory seats, floor mats. Like I said, heated steering wheel, heated front and rear seats. There's your temperature controls for your rear. There's your third seat. So, rear view camera, power hatch, backup sensors. So just about everything, and not hardly a scratch on it. To be honest, in the car business, they rate them up to a 5. This was a 4.9 out of 5, so a few chips on it, maybe a light scratch here and there, but that's it. So very nice vehicle, and we certify them 7-year, 112,000 miles on the drivetrain. That's 7 years from when it was sold new, or when the odometer gets to 112,000 miles. Super nice rig, great options, and certified. 605-692-7010.